This is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please consider subscribing. We just passed 100 subscribers on this channel, and I couldn't be more thrilled, and thank you for enjoying my content. I really appreciate it, and I would love to have you back. Today I am finishing up my monthly highlights from the month of September that just finished. This kit, the base, is a back-to-school sort of themed kit from NMH Creations on Etsy. I used it to sort of celebrate back to school and planning for back to school. That movie night script that you just saw is from Glam Planner, and the little munchkin is from Once More with Love. Here I'm pulling in a blue sticky note from the kit, along with a girl hugging mom teeny from Glam Planner to mark family time and a visit from my mom. The family cuddle script is one from Scribble Prints Co. The next day I did upload. That upload script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the the steamy YouTube character sticker is from Wonton in a Million. And here we're just pulling in the rest of those pieces from the kit to try to figure out what I wanted to use functionally next in the spread. I picked out one of those rounded quarter boxes and a Decorate the House sticker, an old one from 29 Sticker Co. I don't think their shop is open anymore. It was an Etsy-based shop, and every time recently that I've gone to check it out, I haven't found anything, and it says that they're on a break, so I feel like they might be closed. So sorry about that, but this sticker was from a fall sampler sheet. Lots and lots of shops make something very similar, so don't worry too much about that. I used a red flag from the kit and a therapy appointment script, as well as a little therapy chair sticker from Franny Lamb Stickers to mark my monthly therapy appointment that Wednesday. I pulled in another one of those wontons holding a bunch of sticker sheets to mark some Happy Meal that came in that Thursday. The Happy Meal script sticker in silver is from Harriet Wright Designs. And then I'm just pulling in another functional little small flag from the kit, as well as this Netflix and Chill character from Wonton in a Million to mark just chilling and watching Netflix with my husband on this Saturday. The Netflix and Chill script is from Scribble Prints Co. That Sunday was my mother-in-law's birthday. I had already put in a little Once on a Million sticker, as well as a happy birthday script from Murdoch Talks to mark that. My husband and I put together our air fort, which was a birthday gift from him. I always said that I wanted to make a fort, like a blanket fort to, watch TV in and hang out in. So I used that Go Camping sticker from that same 29 Sticker Co. sheet to mark going camping indoors in our air fort. That next day, Monday, I did start rereading Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. So I used a read script from Scribble Prints Co. and a Harry Potter emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And last but not least, I pulled in another box there, one of those notebook paper printed ones, as well as a YouTube script from Harriet Wright Designs. The goals sticker is from Mama Gloria's shop on Etsy, and I used all of this to mark hitting 100 subscribers on this channel. That did happen on Tuesday. And that little feeling accomplished teeny is from Glam Planner. I marked payday on the last day of the month with a little money emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And the payday script is from Nettie Designs. Here's a wiggle, and if you stay tuned, you can see my little reflection pages in my daily gratitude journal. This is my gratitude journal. It is by Erin Condren, and every month, every 30 days, I am prompted to reflect, and as this is the end of this planner, each one goes for 6 months. I was also prompted to do sort of a larger reflection on the last 6 months as a whole. In case you are curious, the pen that I am using is one of the tool pens that can be found on Amazon. I did also purchase some additional refills for this pen in a 0.3 thickness tip that I do enjoy. However, I am using this one with the standard 0.7 tip that it came with. For every reflection, you are given with this planner a few different prompts, goals and intentions, favorite memories, things to improve on, and things like that. So I'm just going in and filling out those sections. As I was sort of doing this reflective exercise, I came across a couple of themes. The first one is I really seem to value time for reflection and sort of times where I find that I'm noticing the small things. In particular, my morning coffee time is a time that I really just take to myself to sit, often quietly, look out our windows. We are very fortunate to live in a home that has a lot of natural light. We live on the top floor of our building with a lot of, beautiful high windows, natural light. I get a beautiful sunrise every morning that I often appreciate while enjoying my coffee in the morning. And we can kind of see the outside world waking up a little bit in the morning. So I do use that time often to sort of listen to my inner thoughts and appreciate the small things, and do things like writing in my gratitude journals, pre-planning for the day, thinking about what my tasks are, thinking about what I might want to record in my life planner versus my work planner, making note of any deadlines or bills that are due or other tasks that I want to achieve throughout the day. It really kind of lets me start my day on the right foot. This time sometimes includes things like watching a little bit of YouTube or reading a book. I do find that this slower start to the morning just sets me off on the right foot and just allows me to approach the rest of the day, the work day, with a clear mind and knowing that I just did something for myself, I guess, that day already. I topped off the day with doing a little bit of self-care, a little bit of time for myself, which is something else that I am definitely going to be focusing on. That's another one of the areas that's included for you to reflect on in this gratitude journal here is areas of focus for the coming months and coming 30 days. A big area of focus for me is going to be self-care, taking time out of each day, during the day, as well as at the end of each day, to take small moments to myself. And so far, I've been doing okay. The during the day stuff has been a little bit harder. And the afternoon part, actually, come to think of it. But here and there, I've been able to carve out some time when I'm eating lunch, maybe to read my book or just relax for a minute, take a couple deep breaths. I do try not to do things like chores during my lunchtime, especially. Often I get a chance to have lunch in the company of my husband, which is nice. We get to kind of update each other on how our days are going, which is nice, but a lot of the time I eat by myself because he's on a phone call, so I try to take that as a little gift for myself to read or just be by myself for a little while. But more often than not, that time usually winds up getting filled with laundry or dishes or some other chore, so I am definitely going to be working on that, on keeping that time sacred for myself going forward. Yeah. I really appreciate you sticking with me, and if you are sticking with this until the end and have enjoyed just watching me write for the past few minutes and listening to me talk, leave a comment below, letting me know what your favorite part of this video was and what you're grateful for. I would love to know what's going well for you in your life. I think we have so much to be sort of not grateful for right now that it's important to think about the things that we are thankful for and the things that we do have. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.